Hello everyone, welcome back to One Two Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Nationalwide mortgage account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Nationalwide mortgage login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then you'll see this kind of interface. On this page, click on the login button located at top right corner. Once you click on it, you'll get to this page. If you are new to Nationalwide, you can register for a new account by clicking on this link. And if you already do have an account, go ahead and enter your customer number and your date of birth. First, enter your customer number. And in case if you don't remember your customer number, you can recover it by clicking on this link. After that, enter your date of birth. And if you want to save your login info in this device, you can click on this check mark. And this is not recommended if you're using a public or shared device. Once you have entered your correct information, click on the continue button. On the next page, you'll have to provide your login credentials like your username or your user ID and your password. Go ahead and enter your username and your password. And once you click on the login button, you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.